Hi, this is Sambasam, Assistant Professor at Science College of Technology. Uh, in the previous session, we have discussed about the power plant of diesel engine. Now we are moving towards the next power plant. It is nothing but gas power plant. Before enter topic, I to share the presentation, which is related to gas power plant. Right? So as I said that earlier, the gas power plants. So the power generating plant, which is use of turbine as the prime mover for generation of electric energy, is called gas turbine power plant. This block diagram of a team, before going to the block diagrams, as I said that earlier, the power as a gas power, the power plant uses gas turbine as a prime mover for generating electricity. It is uses natural gas or kerosene or benzene as the fuel. The gas power plant can produce a limited of what I said that produce a limited amount of electricity. So efficiency of the power plant is 35 percentage, but generally gas plant is an expensive and also expensive to operate. Hence, it is used installed with steam power plant in closed combined cycle. Is generally used in combination with steam or thermal or power plant during the peak load. When the gas power plant is combined with thermal steam power plant, efficiency of the plant is up to 60 to 70 percentage of it. This is the basic layout of the turbine in power plant. As I said that earlier, so in the gas turbine power plant, neutral air is used as a working agent. The air is compressed with the help of compressor and fed to a combustion chamber, where the heat is added to the compressed air, which always increase the temperature of the air. So the heat to the compressed air is added either by burning fuel into a combustion chamber or by the use of air heaters. Then the hot and compressed air from the combustion chamber is always passed through the gas turbine where it expands and does the mechanical work. That is that the heat of the compressed air is converted into a mechanical energy. The turbine gives an alternative which converts the mechanical energy of a turbine into an electrical energy. So as I said that that gas turbine power plants have important note that the compressor of gas turbine, the alternator are mounted on the same shaft, so that the mechanical power of turbine can be utilized for an operation of the compressor. So the gas turbine power stations are primarily used as a standby power plant for hydroelectric power plants for driving acceleration power plants. So this is what the combustion and the generation of electricity. The gas, as I said, the gas turbine draws in a clean air through an air filter from the atmosphere, which help of the compressor. During the compressor of pressure of air is increased. So then the compressed air is passed through a combustion chamber along with the fuel, which is natural gas. The air fuel mixture is ignited at high pressure in the combustion chamber, where the combustion takes place, and then the generated hot gas of compression is passed through the gas turbine. The hot gases expand and the turbine blades are connected to the turbine shafts, rotated. The turbine shaft, which is coupled to the shaft of the electric generator at the other end, also rotates and drives the electrical energy. The portion of the energy is developed by the hot gases through the gas turbine is used to run the compressor. Though, so when the move to reduce the residual hot gases from the turbines are passed through the heat exchange. So that is the heat recovery steam generator. The exchanger produces steam within the high pressure with the help of steam boilers. Then the steam is allowed to expand in the steam turbine. When it passes through the turbine blades, the turbine shaft is rotated. The shaft is coupled to the generator, which are normally used for generating the electricity. Once the gas turbine and steam combines, enables the increased power production. So the transmission and distribution is the generated electricity from both gas and steam is fed to a step-up transformer. The voltage is increased. This does the energy electricity is conveyed through a transmission lines of distribution. So when these electrical lines of distribution distributed from the various lines of process, but when the gas power plant is compared to the other power plants, it is a more important thing is it has a most powerful value. So it is 60 to 70% of increasing the power when we compare with an steam power plants. So now move on to gas turbines. When compared with other years, several measures like natural gas is readily available. Setting up cost can be reduced if the plant is installed near the source of natural gas. So the list is to gas storage cost, less space occupation compared to steam power plants, smaller in size, low operation costs. It also provides low maintenance costs, no standby losses. Cheaper fuels like natural gas can be available from the easier part. And also, once it has a merits, it has several demerits. Like two-thirds of the generator power is used for driving the compressor itself. And also, gas turbine has low thermal efficiency, has a starting problem, efficiency only in combined cycle configurations. Temperature of combustion chamber is too high, which results in a shorter lifespan. This is the several advantages of an gas power plant when over to the other power plants. Then, thanks for watching this video. We will start with another turbines.